Today I found this beautiful mosaic veneer Japanese puzzle box. It's beautiful. There's some damage, but look at that. Those are all individual little pieces of wood. Because there's so many different kinds of wood in that area of Japan. And they make different textures and colors. Anyway, this side has some dogs. Japan. I was very confused when I found this because I could tell it opened, but I couldn't figure out how. But I did figure it out while I was in the store, and I was very impressed with myself and the box. Oh my gosh, it's so awesome. And I ruined it. Anticlimactic BS. I think this is supposed to slide out of here, but it's loose in there. But look at it, it's a tiny little drawer. And it has this on the other side because, just listen. When you pull the little drawer out, it makes music. That's why it has birds on it. Garth, stop. I don't know why I can't do it while it's... I love this find so much. And I feel like there's probably... This dog is just so pathetic. I'm sure you can hear him crawling around. I think there's probably a top. I mean, because that little drawer doesn't take up all this space. So I'm wondering if, I don't know, that would be real extra. But one of my fave finds, I think.